Kirago, check that boy, check that boy. This one, yeah, same. Check him. There need not be a peeling of the stem, bark. Okay? We are, having this demonstration during the rain even, so there are all chances to have and contrive the fungal infection. So take care. We do not wish to repeat the thing what you did it previously. Okay? Here, fine. Look at Praveen Bhai, how he is performing a cut. See, look at. Here, good. Kirago, ask him to follow Praveen Bhai. Here. Do it sharply. Everybody, please take care. This is for the first time we are doing up to the chest height. Okay? And after a month, see the miracles of your precise cutting. Okay?